Most Americans spend over 90% of their time indoors, according to the EPA. That means your body is missing one of the simplest, most natural signals it's wired to respond to: sunlight. And when you miss that, you're probably also missing out on vitamin D, the stuff your bones, immune system, and even your mood really depend on. So why exactly do you need sunlight and vitamin D? It resets your body clock. Picture this. You step outside in the morning, light hits your eyes and skin, and your brain goes, "All right, it's daytime, so let's go." That little spark resets your circadian rhythm, called your inner clock. So you feel awake now and sleepy when it's actually bedtime. It's like hitting refresh on your energy levels every single morning. It makes your bones and teeth stronger. Vitamin D is the key that lets calcium get into your blood. Without it, your body only grabs about 10 to 15% of the calcium from food. But with healthy vitamin D levels, you're absorbing around 30 to 40%. That means stronger bones and stronger teeth. It's your immune booster. Think of vitamin D as your body's defense coach. It helps you fight off viruses and bacteria faster, which is pretty handy when cold and flu season hits. It powers your muscles. When your vitamin D is on point, your muscles move smoother, stronger, and with way more control. It's like giving your body better gear to train with. It lifts your mood. Have you ever noticed how stepping into the sun can instantly feel like a mood upgrade? That's because morning light and vitamin D give your brain a serotonin boost. That feel-good chemical that helps you stay positive throughout the day. It protects your heart and even more. Research shows vitamin D supports your heart and lowers your risk of some chronic diseases. Lab studies suggest that vitamin D helps keep your cells in check, slowing down runaway growth, cutting blood supply to tumors, pushing damaged cells to die, and blocking them from spreading. Pretty powerful stuff for a sunshine vitamin. So, what actually affects your vitamin D levels? Time of day. You will make the most vitamin D when the sun is high, around noon. Morning and evening, not so much. Season and location. If you live far from the equator, at latitudes above 37 degrees north or below 37 degrees south, fall and winter sunlight just doesn't cut in. Supplements often become non-negotiable. How much skin you show. More skin means more vitamin D. Arms and legs exposed beat just your face. Skin tone. Darker skin needs more sun. Pigment can cut vitamin D production by 90%, which is why deficiency is so common. Age. The older we get, the harder it is for skin to make vitamin D. Clothes and windows. Sunlight through a window doesn't count. Glass and clothes block the UVB you need. Clouds and pollution. Both can dim UVB rays before they ever hit your skin. Even outside, your vitamin D production can be weaker. So, how often do you actually get outside and catch some light? Drop in the comments and let me know. Check out this video and see more simple hacks to boost your health and well-being. Thanks for watching and see you next time.